Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious recipe, Chorizo Refried Beans. Perfect and delicious when they're made at home. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Of course, I want to start with my jalapeños. I have 3 jalapeños that I'm going to slice right through the center. I have half an onion that I'm going to dice in small little squares. Let me tell you, these refried beans with chorizo come out so delicious and so amazing. And of course, very few ingredients. Your diced onion, your jalapeños, your chorizo, and your beans. And now on the pan, I have vegetable oil. I'm going to start frying my jalapeños. As you know, the jalapeños are not spicy. But if you want spicy chilies, add chile serrano. I love adding the jalapeños because it gives it that earthy color, the delicious flavor of the green jalapeno. Just amazing. And maybe once in a while, a little hint of spiciness. I really want to get them nice and crispy from both sides. Like I told you, I added a little bit of vegetable oil. So I'm flipping the pan to a side so that they get nice and crispy. Once the jalapenos are nice and golden brown, I am going to remove them. They're infusing the oil with the amazing flavor of the jalapeno. And now, one by one, I am going to be removing them. I really want them to release the amazing flavor into this a little bit of oil. Look at this. In the same pan, I am going to add the diced onion. The onion is going to really infuse the oil. Imagine the oil is going to be infused with the jalapenos and the onion. These refried beans of chorizo are going to come out so delicious and amazing. And now I'm adding the diced onion. I am going to cook it until they are translucent and you could really smell the aroma of the onion. Once you start smelling the aroma of the onion, we're going to add our chorizo. I have 1 pound of chorizo. I'm going to pull it apart. I'm going to get it nice and crispy. This is going to take about 5 to 6 minutes in medium heat. Look at this. The chorizo, it's so delicious that once you start cooking, your kitchen really invades the aroma of the chorizo. After about 5 minutes, continue pulling apart the chorizo. You don't want big chunks of chorizo throughout your beans. So you really want the beans and the chorizo to incorporate. So here they're getting nice and crispy. You could barely see the onion. And when the chorizo is crispy like it is now, I am ready to add my beans. I'm going to add 3 cups of beans. I'm going to add 1 more cup of the water of the beans so it's not too dry. This part is important. You don't want your beans to be dry. You want them to be smooth and delicious. Once you add the cup of the water of the beans, let it cook, let it come to boil. When it starts boiling and bubbling from the edges, you are ready to start smashing them and getting these refried beans, let me tell you, to the point where they are going to be so delicious and so amazing. Now I am ready to blend really good, smash them really good, incorporate all those amazing flavors of the onion. You no longer could see the onion at all. And that's exactly what you want. You want the onion to really release the amazing flavor. And once this is nice and thick, like it is now, I'll show you from close up. Look how amazing they look. And now I am ready to turn off the stove and I am ready to plate it. How am I going to enjoy these amazing refried beans with chorizo? Let me show you. I am sure you're going to love this recipe. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. I am sure you're going to really fall in love with these refried beans with chorizo, my jalapeños, my chips, and of course, the plate I am going to use for the presentation. Look how creamy they look. Easy recipe with ingredients that you already have at home. And now we're going to give it that special decoration. We're going to add the jalapeños right on the side. Let me show you like this. We're going to add all my jalapeños. Remember, they're not spicy. And I am going to add the chips on the other side. And then we are ready to dig in and enjoy something so delicious and made at home with lots of love. Remember, how can you help Cooking with Gloria continue growing? By like, subscribe, and share. I hope and I wish you guys make it and enjoy it with your beautiful family. I am ready to taste. I am ready to enjoy. Look at this. This looks amazing and delicious. And from close up, look how creamy these beans came out. Nice and chunky and delicious. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with these refried beans with chorizo. Of course, tostadas and chiles never need to be absent. So let's taste. Let's see how this came out. And of course, I want to get a piece of chili. Oh my God, this looks so nice and thick and delicious. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Mmm. 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 Oh my God, so delicious. I am. When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. Mmm. Mmm. If you like and love this amazing refried beans with chorizo, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you didn't, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing refried beans with chorizo. See you soon. Bye-bye.